Dumalang Bakolo, my name is Nicole Mjole and I'm back with another video in our mini tax series. I hope you guys are doing awesome, great, lovely. So today's video is going to be about dividends withholding tax, and yes, I think it's the third or the fourth video in our video series, sorry. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Of course, I have to tell you guys that I am not a financial services provider. If you are looking for a site for financial advice, please do contact somebody who is registered with the FSCA. I'm not that person. I'm just sharing info. Take the info, throw it away, do whatever you want to with it. But now I'm just sharing so that those who want to learn can learn. Anyway, guys, let's get into the video. So what exactly is dividend withholding tax? Firstly, as you know by now, we start with tax. What is tax? Tax is the money which you pay to your South African Revenue Services, or we pay to South African Revenue Services, and they use that money for whatever they use it for in government, right? So basically, dividends withholding tax, now that we've broken down tax, let's focus on dividends. Dividends is money that companies or entities pay to their shareholders. Let's say, for example, a company has been performing well this year. They'll be like, okay, for the extra profits that we have, let's just give our people some money to spend on themselves, right? So that is what a dividend is. Dividends withholding tax is obviously tax paid on dividends. So unlike your income tax and your interest tax and your capital gains tax, your dividends tax, you don't need to make sure that you pay the money to SARS. That is automatically done for you. So in South Africa, currently, everyone pays 20% on dividends, right? So most of us pay 20% on dividends, and that money is taken before they even give us the change, before they give us the 80%. So you don't need to stress about paying the money. The entity which is paying you the money will keep that money and pay it to SARS automatically, right? So currently it is 20%. So if the company is paying you your dividends into your account, they already have taken that 20%, right? So yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this video here because that's about it for dividends withholding tax. We pay 20%, is finished. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.